Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free taco rod skin in Fish It. So in this latest update, at the classic update part 2, there's a brand new rod skin that you can get just by completing a class. And first to get it, just head over to the classic island like this. And once you're there, just find this NPC, the NPC Steve. And then after that, just talk to him and then just tap on class like this. And then just open your class. You will get the class fishing rod ingredients like this. And then in here, you will be asked to collect 4 items: lettuce, tomato, and tortilla, and taco fish. And for lettuce, tomato, and tortilla, you can fish them in classic cave. This one, you can get this lettuce, tortilla, and tomato classic cave. So just keep fishing there until you get all the 3 items. And now for the tricky one. The taco fish, you can only catch this fish outside the cave. Just fish it at the classic island like this. This one. And it spawns only during a special weather that called raining tacos. And these raining tacos will happen during the new disaster event that appears on classic island every 2 hours. Or if you don't want to wait, you can just activate it yourself using the weather machine on this classic island. And when you get the all ingredients, just give it to the NPC like this. Just tap on exchange item and then just give it all the ingredients to NPC by tap on the ingredient part like this. And in here, guys, I haven't gotten the taco fish yet. In here I can show you the rods, but that's how you can get it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.